Meet the new RIDGID 18V NUKE family. These are all subcompact units, brand new combos, as well as a new Stealth Force and the 4.5-inch saw. So let's get started. First, the one I'm most excited about is the new oil impulse driver. Specifically, this is the RIDGID and its model number RNK SID 03, and it's the 18V NUKE SubCompact Brushless Stealth Force Oil Pulse Driver. Yeah, I said that all in one breath. We get multiple speeds on this. We also get a variable speed trigger. And if you haven't used a hydraulic impact driver or an oil pulse impact driver or something like the sorts, you really ought to try it. It's better in the hand than actually what you'll hear. It's definitely a softer sound, but basically the oil impact allows it to impact the fastener in more of a softer tone to your ears. And again, it won't show up on a meter as much as you can actually feel it and hear it when you're actually using it. It doesn't hit near as sharp. So a little down on power, but not down a lot. It'll still drive screws. In fact, let's do it. Got a couple of 3-inch deck screws here. That's in speed 3. Let's go down to speed 1. Much more control on the oil impulse. So you can kind of see that softer hit on those screws on that speed 1. And then we also have self-tapping mode. And that's going to be great for driving those self-tapper screws into sheet metal. So you see it starts out strong and then it backs off. Now size on this, let's pull this out. So with the bit out, one hand insertion, it's going to lock that in. I don't have to pull that out to actually put it in. And then once I pull the ring out, it's going to eject the bit. And now it's ready again to lock in for the bit. So just push that in and that locks automatically into place. And again, pull the ring out and it's going to eject the bit. Size on this, about 9 3/4 inches, 9.5, 9 5/8 inches tall with the 4 amp hour battery. It does not come with the 4 amp hour battery, by the way. We just put that on there. Lengthwise, tip to tail, about 4 3/8 of an inch. And about 2 5/8 inches wide in the main body up top. Again, I mentioned we get 4 different speeds or 3 speeds and a self-tapping mode. Speeds are 0 to 700, 0 to 1800, and 0 to 2300 RPM. And in the self-tapping mode, it's going to back that down to just 1900. But you see how in the self-tapping mode, it starts out strong and then backs off. So again, it gives you that ability to get that self-tapper actually drilling, and then it backs off so you're not stripping that out when you're going through that thinner metal. Now this oil impulse driver comes as a bare tool and is going to run $169, and you get a lifetime service agreement as long as you register the tool within 90 days of purchase. So that's first up is the Stealth Force Oil Pulse Driver. Then we have the RIDGID model number RNK SCS01B. So again, this one comes as a bare tool as well, does not come with the battery. And you're looking at up to 5,300 RPM. I'm trying to cause problems. So 0 to 5,300 RPM. No variable speed there on the trigger, which there shouldn't be on a saw. Also get a 24-tooth, 4.5-inch carbide blade. You get a vacuum port as well, which you can actually pull off. So it's right there in the metal frame. And then you get the plastic adapter as well. So if you're wanting to evacuate as much of that as you can, you can. And quick flip of the arm there, and you can go up to a 45-degree bevel. And you have some adjustment there to tighten that up. I'll have to do that. And then there's also some fine adjustment on the bevel as well. Even though this tool, you're probably not going to care a lot with your bevel on how close you are. You should be getting a more precise tool to do that. And then, of course, you can lock out the foot here. Then lock this down, and that's going to lock the foot in place. It has a 3/8 inch arbor, and the bevel at 45 degrees has a cut capacity at 1 inch, and then at a 90 degree, you're looking at 1 9/16 inch cut capacity, so you can cut 2x4s or 2x-dimensional lumber with no problem. Now, this as a bare tool is going to run you $149, and again, the RIDGID LSA or lifetime service agreement. And we didn't get any measurements here on this tool. It's kind of a little long, but like any saw, 14 inches long, and width, you're looking at about, I don't know, 5 3/4 inches wide. You got a sheet metal style base or foot on here that's 9 inches long and 4 3/4 inches wide. Markings on there at 0 and at 45. Great little handy saw, especially for cutting quick sheet goods, things like that don't need perfection. Those are great saws for that. And next up, we have a couple of combo kits. So basically, we have a impact driver and drill driver combo, or 2 combos. This is the hammer drill version that comes with a little upgraded impact driver as well. So you get the hammer drill with 18 different clutch settings or 16 clutch settings, and the drill mode and hammer drill mode that's going to obviously lock out the clutch. You get a 1/2 inch metal chuck, and then you get 2 speeds on the drill as well. And looking at the speeds on this, looking at 0 to 600 RPM in speed 1, and you get a variable speed trigger as well. And then 0 to 2000 RPM in speed 2, and 750 inch-pounds of torque. No auxiliary handle. Anything under, I believe it's 1,000 inch-pounds doesn't need an auxiliary handle. So this is for those smaller things, you know, drilling 3/8 inch holes, 1/4 inch holes, you know, hanging things on cinder block, things like that. Or just, you know, drilling 1/2 inch holes every now and then. So doing the light duty work, but still very handy to have a hammer drill in a subcompact. Also comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour battery in the kit as well. And as I mentioned, also get a, what I would call an upgraded impact driver, and this is not it. That is it. And specifically on it, it is the model number RNK SID02, and I believe the regular one is a 01. We'll confirm that here in a moment. But here on the back side, you can see we get the 4 different modes, or 3 modes, and the self-tapping mode. And speed on these is 0 to 1200 RPM in speed 1, and then 0 to 2700 RPM in speed 2, and then 0 to 3800 RPM in speed 3. And self-tapping mode, I believe, is 2200 RPM for that self-tapping mode. And just as I showed earlier on the locking of the ring, so it's going to easily go in with 1 finger and lock in, and then when you pull the ring out, it's going to eject the bit, and again, just push it in. So easily one-hand bit insertion as well as removing. And impacts per minute, or IPM, is 0 to 5,000 as well. And if I didn't mention, again, variable speed trigger, and all of these have a light of some sort in some way. Most of these on the drill drivers and impact drivers, the light's coming down from below deck, except for the stealth driver that actually gets the lights right here surrounding the fastener. Really like to see that. Makes it a lot easier of actually seeing the fastener that you're working on. But this kit right here, the hammer drill driver kit, this is going to run $269 and comes with a 2 amp hour battery and the 4 amp hour battery and the 2 tools and the charger and the beautiful case for, again, $219, and the same LSA or lifetime service agreement as long as you register the tool within 90 days. And then lastly, we have another combo in the Nuke family. Specifically, we have the RNK SDD01, so the drill driver 01, and that's basically non-hammer drill. And then we get the RNK SID01 impact driver that is no speed, or a single speed with your variable speed trigger, which, let's face it, that's pretty handy. if you're not needing any specifics, and having impact driver with no speeds on it is absolutely fine, especially if you can feather that trigger with your finger and learn how to use that. That's absolutely fine. I believe the same 2,000 inch-pounds of torque on the regular impact driver as on the 4-mode driver, and 750 inch-pounds of torque on the drill as well. Same half-inch all-metal chuck. Also, we just get 16 different clutch settings and a lockout setting for drill mode, but no hammer drill mode. And just 2 different speeds on here as well on the drill. And you're looking at 0 to 600 and 0 to 2,000 RPM. Now, price on these two that come with two 2-amp-hour batteries. So the other kit, the hammer drill kit, came with a 2-amp-hour and a 4-amp-hour. This comes with two 2-amp-hour max output batteries and the 2 tools and a charger and the bag for $219. And you get the LSA, or the lifetime service agreement, as long as you register the tool within 90 days. So there you have it. There's the whole new Nuke family. That's kind of the new label they're putting on their subcompact tools, Nuke. So not sure if it's short for nuclear or nuclear. So anyway, let us know your thoughts on this, and we'll be putting these to the test and see what we think about them. Have a great day. Keep smiling.